How to find and recover deleted listings in Facebook Marketplace. Let's get started. First, launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll be directed to the home page. Now here, you're gonna find different tabs. Head over to the tab Marketplace. Now head over to the section Sell. Here you're gonna find all the items that you have listed for selling. In case you have deleted an item and if you're searching for it, it won't be available. At the moment, within Facebook, there is no such feature to recover the deleted item from the marketplace. But in case you have marked the item as sold or pending or unavailable, it's gonna appear in this page. But if you have deleted an item from the marketplace, you cannot recover it. So that's all for this video. I hope now you guys are clear whether you can recover deleted listings in Facebook Marketplace or not. At the end, if this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.